Go ahead.
Vlog. Boy, do I have a surprise for you guys. We have a longtime friend stopping by the channel, or, well, we're stopping by the friend of a longtime channel of the friend. Longtime friend. We are stopping by a longtime friend of the channel. There we go. Who's been away? You guys will see who it is when we get there. So, yeah. Gonna just stop by, chop it up for a little while. And yeah. So let's get to it. No more delays. I'm just gonna hop in the 350Z and go.
My cams in it, so the top end is still like.
Oh, so you have the cams?
Huh?
You have the cams?
Yeah, they're in my other motor.
Oh, okay.
ABC fire.
So how would you guys feel about this being the driver's position and whatnot, you know, this being what you guys see on the channel again, you know, an E36 interior, bucket seats, you know, the camera being somewhere back here, you know, just like you guys saw before, but, you know, maybe some boost gauges somewhere there, you know, 5-speed this time, you know, a clutch pedal down there, and a nice race wheel again, just like this one, but yeah, just like this one this time, you know, something, you know, M3 mirrors this time, the works, a sunroof delete this time, you know, everything done the right way. How would you guys feel about that? Let me know in the comments. And I know you guys remember this guy. I know you guys know where I am. This is a very familiar place if you guys were subscribed a little over a year ago. I haven't been here in a while because he was out at military training, but we're back again, back with the E36 stuff. And hopefully the 350Z gets sold soon. And hopefully I'm back in one of these or a 135i, but definitely a BMW for sure, because I definitely miss the German engineering. That's one thing I can't live without. Japanese cars are definitely something I love, but the German engineering has always been something that was something I was in love with. So yeah, guess we just have to see what happens. Stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Yeah, so compare this side to how wide this side is. Not that I see.
I heard it, so I was wondering.
Yeah, I heard some noise, but I don't know what it was.
Might be too aggressive for
Probably won't be able to see it, but the bumper like flew off. You could see it like on the back of the car. Right, the thing flew back off again. Damn. So right now the fenders are on, and yeah, being around an E36 again, I really miss this. Like, oh my God, this is just such a beautiful sight. Like, I remember back when I had mine, I was rocking the black bumper for a long time, and just seeing just this is just so me, especially the fact that it's white. And like I mentioned earlier, a lot of people don't remember the fact that this car used to be on the channel a lot. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting back into an E36 again, because this is just super nostalgic. And it's like, yeah, pretty sure this is going to be something that's seen a lot again.
Yep.
The E36 is just it's timeless.
Go ahead.
As you guys saw, I forgot to close out the video yesterday, but yeah, I'm about to shower and whatnot, and then hopefully my other boy gets here before it starts to rain, so we could do the brakes on the van. But yeah, as you guys saw, it was the E36. It has an M52 B28, so it's the 2.8 liter. It has the M50 manifold. It has so it has the pink top injectors, which are 21 pounds. So it has enough fuel in it for cams, which he has. He has a good exhaust and all that kind of stuff. So it has a whole bunch of good stuff on it. So that's the same thing I'm going to do basically. I'm probably not going to do cams. I might, but I don't know. I'm not too sure. I might do cams, I might not, I don't know. I've considered it, but since I'm going to turbo the car, I don't particularly need cams. But depending on how the car is and what I need to do to it when I get it, I may just do the cams and everything. And then, I may just get the cams and everything like that. And then when I order the tune and the head studs and the head gasket and all of that, I may just get the tune for the turbo and all of that, and the burble and everything. and, you know, just go all out with the turbo and go like 450 horsepower and run it like that. But the car is going to be like 600 capable, around there. So yeah, I'll probably do that. And, you know, that's where we'll be if I do the E36. And that's most likely what I'm going to do, because after being around an E36, that's really what I want. Because the thing about 135i's is that there's not really much you can do, like, to the interior, in the sense of, like, there's no dash kit, so you can't really put, like, a doubled in. You can't really do much gauge-wise, because there's not really much, like, gauge pod locations. Like, you can do, like tops. It's kind of hard to explain. Like, the type of person I am, like, I like to kind of do, like, interior mods and stuff like that as well, in a sense. Like, it's hard to explain, but it'll take long to explain in that sense. But it's like an E36 is just more me, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with that. Unless I find a really good deal on a 135i, then I'll get the 135i. But it's looking like I'm gonna get an E36. And then, who knows, maybe I may get a 135i as well. You never know what the future will hold. But for now, I'm leaning more still towards an E36. So, that's probably what you guys are going to see on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably make another video today. Why not? Who knows? But the weather is looking like it's going to be pretty bad, so yeah, I guess you guys will just see. Thanks for watching.